Hey, what's up guys? Charles here with Olsa Tools. Today I want to show you our magnetic socket organizer. We currently offer 6 different colors. So we have red, green, purple, orange, blue, black. Now we do offer the red one. So this one here is SAE. The green one is SAE. The orange one is SAE. And then the purple, blue, and black are metric. But we also offer the red in metric, the green in metric, and the blue in SAE, and the black in SAE. So the metric 3-piece set holds 75 sockets. It holds 26 1/4-inch drive sockets, 30 sockets in 3/8, 19 sockets in 1/2-inch drive. The SAE one, the 3-piece set, holds 68 sockets in total. It holds 26 1/4-inch drive. It holds 26 3/8 drive, and it holds 16 1/2-inch drive plus space for an adapter. So our magnetic socket holders have a magnetic base, which is a rubberized kind of magnet, so it's scratch-free. It won't scratch your toolbox or any other metal surface. And what's nice is it holds the tray itself onto a ferrous surface, such as toolbox, drawer, but it also holds the sockets in place. So I'll show you here. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of force to hold like this, and then these are 1/2-inch drive deep sockets. Hold it, sideways or flat, but best use is definitely flat as such. And these won't move at all in a tool cart or toolbox drawer. So these can be bought individually. So you can buy any of those drive sizes in any of the colors available individually on our website, olsatools.com for USA, olsatools.ca for Canada. And they are also sold in three packs. So typically the 3 packs come with 1 1/4-inch drive, 1 3/8, and 1 1/2-inch drive. So this would be one set. And you can also buy 6-piece sets. And the 6-piece sets are several different combinations of different colors. But all 6-piece sets are a 3-piece set of SAE and a 3-piece set of metric. So it could be 3-piece set SAE red combined with a 3-piece set of blue metric, for example. But we have several different color combinations, so you can check it out on our website. There will be a link to our website in the description below.